I will demonstrate my final project for CS50's Introduction to Databases with SQL. The title of my project is Basic Bank Database with SQLite. So let's have a look at schema.sql file. So we have users table here, which every single user will have a unique ID, first name, last name, phone number, address, and account number. There's some constraints for the account number, which it can't be null. Also, it has to be exactly 10 digits, and every account number should start with CS50. And every single user will have a PIN as well to access their account, which is going to be a 4 digits. There is a balance column, which default value will be 0 whenever there's a user created on the bank database. That user will have 0 money in his bank account. And we have a branch ID, which is a foreign key, references the branches that we'll have a look soon, and the date that we created the account. It's going to be default current time. So let's see branches table. That's a simple table. Every branch will have a unique ID, unique name, and also they're going to have an address as well, which cannot be null. And the transactions table, every single transaction will have a unique ID. It's going to have a type. That type can only be either withdrawal, deposit, or transfer. And it's going to be user ID, which specifies that which user did that transaction, and also the amount that applied on the type of the transaction. And we have some indexes here as well. The most important one, I would say, the transaction search index, because let's imagine that you're working in a bank database system. So, and most of the time you'll try to find some meaning, look at someone's transactions. For example, maybe you want to find that which user did how many transaction, what type of transaction that the same user did most, or every single transaction has been made by the same user. So that's going to speed up the process.